नमस्ते बच्चों। आज हम डिस्कशन करने जा रहे हैं आवर इन्वायरमेंट। यू आर लिसनिंग दिस वर्ड वेरी ऑफनली, is it when you are going through the newspaper and even in normal discussion, and even when you discuss to your elders, they are saying that the nowadays environment has changed a lot. The environment that was present in our time, in the previous time, that was very much different. And even few days back we celebrated the World Environmental Day. Okay, that means first of all we must understand what is environment. That means surrounding of us, whatsoever living organisms and even the physical things with which we interact, they all form the environment. जितने भी सजीव हैं, पेड़ पौधे, जीव जंतु, मिट्टी, हवा, पानी, दूसरे मानव और सारे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स, दे आर forming the environment. But my dear students, see, this environment plays very significant role for the sustenance and better living for the organisms. Dear students, have you ever think what happens when we drop, or we can say add the waste to this environment? We are producing a huge amount of waste. Imagine in our household, the kitchen waste. You are the students, so you are also producing waste. Okay? Torn out the papers and throwing here and there. Okay? That means they are also the waste. Imagine in your mind regarding the urban environment, urban conditions. When you will go to the market, vegetable market, okay, cartoons will be there. Okay. When you will go to the, what we can say, the hospitals, huge amount of bottles, okay, in which the medicines have been utilized. Empty bottles, they are being produced. These are the waste. And imagine when you will go to the, what we can say, the cloth market. Okay. So likewise, huge amount of waste is being produced. So what happens to that waste? Dear student, you can carry out and imagine in a simple experiment. Collect the waste that is being produced in our house and bury it in your, what we can say, the garden. Pour some water, and after the interval of few days, 5, 6 या 15 days intervals, get its observation. आप देखेंगे कि इसमें से कुछ तो क्या हो गए बेटा, डिग्रेड हो जाएंगे, लेकिन कुछ वैसे के वैसे बचे रहेंगे. समझ गए? तो इसका मतलब जो वेस्ट हम प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, दैट कैन बी कैटेगराइज्ड इनटू 2 कैटेगरीज. One is biodegradable waste and second is non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable, that means with the help of living organisms, that becomes degraded. And non-biodegradable, that means that do not get degrade. Biodegradable में क्या क्या आ गए? जैसे रसोई का जो कचरा है, बचा हुआ खाना है, फल सब्जियों का जो ऊपर का जो पील है, छिलके हैं, केला आपने खाया उसका जो छिलका है, आम आपने खाया उसका जो छिलका है, ठीक है, they will get degrade with the help of living organisms. लेकिन नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल देखिए बेटा, they do not get degraded. degraded, they remain in the environment for longer period and cause harmful effect. जैसे कोई कांच की जो बोतल है, कांच की बोतल है, उसके बाद कुछ ऐसे प्लास्टिक्स हैं जो डिग्रेड नहीं होते और हमारे एनवायरनमेंट को पोल्यूट करते हैं। आपने सोचा है जो हम खाना खाते हैं वो एंजाइम्स की सहायता से ब्रेक डाउन होता है। ठीक है बेटा, अगर आपने कोयला अपने भोजन के साथ ले लिया तो वो ब्रेक डाउन नहीं होगा, क्योंकि उस कोयले को तोड़ने के लिए हमारे शरीर में एंजाइम नहीं है। लाइकवाइज these biodegradable waste are being broken down with the help of the enzymes which are produced by these microorganisms, but these cannot be degraded because the particular enzymes are not being produced by these. So waste can be categorized into two groups. Biodegradable means which can be degraded, which can change into simple forms. Non-biodegradable which do not get break down into simpler ones. So non-biodegradable waste cause harmful effect on the environment. We must follow such policies so that we can make minimum use of these non-biodegradable waste. And it is better to reduce the production of waste. Thank you.